In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add section and card. If you're building a one-page site, section breaks are a simple way to divide your content and create smooth in-page navigation. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to click and why each step matters. Start by heading to card.co in your browser. From the home page, choose Open Dashboard. This takes you into your workspace where all your sites live. Open the project you want to edit so the builder loads with your page on the canvas and the controls panel visible. Inside the builder, look for the Add button. Click it to open the element menu. Instead of adding a visual element like text or an image, you're going to insert a utility element, so choose Control. Controls are special tools that affect structure and behavior, and the one we want is a section break. In the Controls panel, find the Type dropdown. Click it to reveal the options, then select Section Break. This tells Card you're adding a divider that the site can use as a reference point for navigation and layout. You'll see a field to name your section break. Type a short, clear name that describes the section like About, Services, or Contact. Keep it simple, avoid spaces and special characters so it's easy to reference later. Think of this name as an anchor that buttons and links can target. When you're happy with the name, click Done. Card adds the section break to your page. It appears as a thin, labeled marker in the canvas or in your layer list, depending on your view. Now drag that section break to the exact spot where you want one section to end and the next to begin. Release the mouse to drop it in place. If you change your mind, you can drag it again at any time, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. With the section break positioned, you can now link to it from a button, a menu item, or any link element. In your button settings, set the action to scroll to a section and choose the name you just created. That way, when someone clicks the button, the page scrolls smoothly to that location, giving your site a polished, professional feel. That's all there is to it. You've added a section break, named it for easy linking, and placed it exactly where your content needs a natural divide. Use the same approach for each part of your page, and your one-page site will be clean, organized, and effortless to navigate.